Ever noticed planes don't fly right over skyscrapers? Here's why. It's all about safety and airspace. Number one, big cities are classified as controlled airspace, and planes must follow strict routes. Number two, skyscrapers are tall, but planes fly much higher, usually at cruising altitudes of 30,000 plus feet. Number three, takeoffs and landings happen in specific corridors. Pilots avoid densely built areas. Number four, air traffic control keeps planes away from buildings for safety and noise reasons. Number five, after September 11th, regulations tightened. Urban flyovers are heavily restricted or banned. So it's not about avoiding buildings. It's about protecting people both in the air and on the ground.